Your first car is supposed to be exciting, freeing, maybe even a little chaotic. But for me, it was a harsh lesson about what to look for, what to avoid, and how much car trouble can really cost. If you're thinking of buying your first used car, like especially through non-traditional channels, this is my story. In 2022, I bought my first car with the help of a pawnbroker. At first glance, it looked great. Clean body, good price, decent mileage for a 2005 model. The excitement of finally owning a car made it easy to ignore some small signs that now, in hindsight, I should have paid more attention to. Within just 1 month, the problem started. The engine began acting up, misfiring, rough idling, and stalling at traffic lights. Turns out the engine was receiving way too much gasoline, which led to a much bigger issue. The piston broke. I replaced the engine, thinking that was the end of it. But the nightmare continued. The replacement engine had its own problem, strange noises, inconsistent performance, and mounting stress. Lesson 1. Not all new engines are in good condition. And then came the electrical issues. A 2005 car already has some age, but I didn't expect how hard it would be to diagnose and fix constant sensor warnings, short circuits, and dashboard glitches. Modern diagnostics only help so much. I visited several mechanics before anything got truly fixed. The original cost of the car seemed fair, around $3,000. But after all the repairs, replacements, and countless hours spent troubleshooting, the total cost ended up being closer to $5,000. Not including the stress, time, and missed days without transportation. Here's what I learned the hard way. Don't rush into a car because it looks good on the surface. Get a pre-purchase inspection, even if it costs $100. It could save you thousands. Avoid emotional decisions. Excitement can cloud judgment. Understand that fixing a used car often uncovers more problems. If I knew what I know now, I would have walked away. Or at least negotiated harder and budgeted more for hidden issues. Your first car is a memory you'll always carry, good or bad. Mine taught me that patience, research, and honesty with yourself are everything when buying used. If you're planning to get your first car soon, I hope my story helps you avoid the same mistakes. Like, subscribe, and share your first car story in the comments, and I'd love to hear it.